So good weekend morning to everybody. This is Bob from Trade Genius, and what I wanted to do is I want to show you the trade that you should be in for the next 4 to 6 weeks, and it's natural gas. And so this is last year. Is natural gas swings and has kind of 3 seasons. It has a season where the price moves extremely high, and because the getting ready for either the winter season or the summer season for heating and for cooling. And then you have the sell-off time where the storage is full, demand will slacken, and then you have the consolidation time. And so what we're really focusing on is really the big moves. And this is just the futures on this one here, but last year the price got down to about 287, and within 6 weeks it pushed up to 365. And this is a 20% move in natural gas pricing. However, this is a $7,000 move on a $2,000 contract. So you're looking at a 350% return in futures going into this contract. Now, if you don't want to play futures, or you can't play futures, or you're scared of futures, is that you could buy UNG, and I'm doing both. I'm building a UNG position in my equity account, and then I have 2 contracts long in the futures account. And so if you look here, this is last year. The price was at 684, and it got up to almost $10. Now, what's interesting here is that this move here is bigger than 20%, and because the nature of it's the nature of the futures contract and this ETF. And this ETF here is it rolls every month. And so what happens is that they try to keep the contract on a continuous period of time into the future, and every month, you know, that the contract for the month later is higher. It kind of puts pressure on it puts pressure on UNG, and then when you get into December and January, it reverses because the people are not buying as much natural gas, so they're pushing the price down, and you have a situation where it goes into a backwardation and just a term, and what it does is then it just takes the pressure off the need for shorting the front contract, and that's what lifts the futures higher, and then that's what lifts UNG really high. So my recommendation is that you can buy UNG, you can buy Boyle. Okay, so you have Boyle here that was at 1039 and 20, almost a double. You could buy UGAS, and all this is really designed around how much risk you want to take on the trade. And UGAS went from 19 up to 50, you know, 2.5 times, and then you have which is equivalent to a futures contract, but you're putting more money in to get the return, and then you could just buy options too. So it's really your choice. You know, you can go UGAS, and the only thing about these triples is that you need to be right on the timing, or you just get grounded down. So our play is between now and a week or 2 before Christmas is to be long natural gas, and then after that flip short, and then we'll be looking at doing minor trades. So if you like what we do, you know, come join us at TradeGeniusAcademy.com and join our ETF room. Also too, today's Saturday, is that we're going to do a class on actually trading the cryptos and our software for it. I think you'll like it. If you notice here, I'll go back to my my window, is that you can see, look at, this is Bitcoin right now, it's at 61.69. Our software told you to buy it at 4,200 and to stay strong. We're going to show you how we use our software. So please join us. I think you'll really like it. And you can actually buy the software to use on TradingView and be able to trade on your own any of the cryptos. Anyway, I hope to see you a little bit later, and I hope you enjoyed this video and make some money. Thanks. Bye.